Good morning, everybody. I'm having a load of soil brought in now. I want it's for backfill underneath that slab. Once we get all the tie beams in, we'll put this in and pack it in. Good morning. Come on back. That's good. That's good. That's good right there. High tech. Super high tech. Oh, that is pretty clean soil. Man, that's better than I thought it would be. I got some of this soil from them before there. And you know what? Where we put it at, the grass and the plants really like to grow. You're good? You're good?
Okay. It's okay.
You okay? You're clearing the wire? It's okay? Yeah, I like it. 4,500 pesos. It's maybe about like 90 bucks. What you working on, baby love?
Putting all this grass.
So you got your makeshift glove. I got some gloves in there. You want to borrow a pair?
Can I borrow?
Yeah, there's some brand new ones. Let me go get you a pair. Okay, babe.
Okay, then.
It's better than trying to use a old plastic sack. Yeah, I was like, what is she doing with a plastic sack?
My nail is long right now, so
Yeah.
it's hard to use my hand, you know, and I guess.
Yeah, you must have forgot I told you I bought a bunch of gloves the other day.
Yeah.
We bought like a whole sack of them. I've got seeds planted all in this here right now, so we're gonna see what comes up.
Why I wet them first before I.
Trying to break it up. Our brother put these, I think I may have showed you guys before, but that's supposed to be called, it's a herb, it's Chinese tea is what they called it, right?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. The main problem even that Chinese tea's had of trying to grow out here is, once again, goats being turned loose along this beach, and they would bite all the tops out of our plants right here. But since that last talk that I had, I haven't seen a goat lately. That doesn't mean it's gonna not change again, but so far I haven't seen a goat lately, and that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't let's get this straight. I'm not just like a big die goat hater. It's just you can't have them everywhere just free roaming and eating all your stuff, and it's kind of common in this country that's going on, but yeah, like these should have been like a taller bush sticking up. The reason they're all down low like that is because they're always getting topped by the goats, you know. And how can we have any kind of nice stuff out here with that happening? And I understand the people that's just trying to have something, you know. Even the goats mean a lot to them, a little bit of income or the meat from it for celebrations and things like that. It's just, there's got to be some respect and boundaries. Also respecting other people's things. If you're going to have that, if you're going to manage them, you need to manage them in an area that you absolutely see that they're not harming other people's things. So that's just the difference, but it's not like I'm just hardcore upset and raising Cain about it or nothing like that. Of course, I'd like to get it under control, my neighbors as well. I saw one of the neighbors just put out some new plants too. I think they're also in hopes that maybe this is rectified right now. We'll see. Well, these whitefish right here, we love a lot. And this guy right here just come rolling up on his little motorcycle, selling them. I told Melinda, yes, 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 buy some. Man, these are so delicious. You can butterfly those open, batter them and fry them. Oh my God, they're good. Thank you, Paul, for bringing those. Have a good day. To me, that's like a score right there, boy, because we love getting those. A lot of times we would get up in the morning and head down the beach and watch for the boats to come in and try to score some of those off the boats that came in, been out fishing early in the morning or at night. And sometimes we don't find them. When we do, we try to buy some extras. So when he come rolling here those just now, Melinda said, do you want? I said, heck yeah, I want. You know, that's our favorite to get right there. And they are really clean fish too, and the taste is wonderful. So that is another win for our day right there. Melinda's over with Yoli right now, and she sent him over there, and she's trying to talk Yoli into buying some from this guy. They are great. I really like our neighbor over there a lot. For you that don't know, I think I've told this before, it's just such a small world. Any of our subscribers that don't know this story. So Yoli and Mel over here, a different Mel, not my Mel, different Mel. They live in California, and this is their second home here. She is the very first person that ever built in this subdivision. Her house, I think, is 18 years old now, is what she told me. And they too are kind of having to adjust and kind of learn a little bit to be Filipino again. They spent so much time in California. Even though they're Filipino, they're having to adjust their lives, you know. And it's been 2 years since they've been home as well. So it's just kind of funny, you know, the Filipinos having to adjust to be Filipino again. But they're enjoying it, and they're getting over the jet lag each day, trying to adjust their time schedule of being back here in the Philippines. But Yoli has a brother that's right there in Greenville, Texas, just 30-minute drive from my house. And Yoli and Mel and her family came and visited Melinda and I at our lake property there in Texas. So it's kind of funny, you know, what a small world. We just have those connections aren't that far away. And so it's really nice that they seen us there, visit us there. They have connections back home to us there in Texas, and they're our neighbors right here in the Philippines. That's pretty awesome. Remember, people, it's a small world. Remember.